Yo, listen up, gather round. We got some news that'll make your wallet rebound. Akamai's on my token is now on Bitget. Get ready for a digital collectible asset sale on Bitget. The future is bright. Trading digital collectibles just got a new hype. With Bitget's platform, you can buy and sell. Join evolution. Don't miss out, time to make that bet. So Bitget a top-notch exchange with a vision, bringing digital collectibles in one mission. The Oh My token fuels the Baby app, a world of digital collectibles that'll make you clap. Come on, Bitget, the future is bright. Just grab your phone and let the adventure be. Captain America, man, and all the rest within Bitget. You're truly blessed, so join the red. Yo, listen up, gather round. We got some news that'll make your wallets rebound. Akamai's on my token is now on Bitget. Get ready for a digital collectible asset set. Yo, listen up, gather round. We got some news that'll make your wallets rebound. Akamai's on my token is now on Bitget. Get ready for a digital collectible asset set. On Bitget, the future is bright. Trading digital collectibles just got a new hype. With Bitget's platform, you can buy and sell. Join evolution. Don't miss out, time to make that Bitget. The top-notch exchange with a vision, bringing together crypto and digital collectibles in one mission. The Oh My token fuels the Baby app, a world of digital collectibles that'll make you clap. On my own Bitget, the future is bright. Trading digital collectibles just got a new height with Bitget's platform. Nah, Bitget, the future is bright. Trading digital collectibles just got a new hand. Captain America, Iron Man, and all the rest. With Baby and Bitget, you're truly blessed. So join the red, Bitget, the future is bright. Trading digital collectibles just got a new hype. With Bitget's platform, you can buy and sell. Shade on Bitget, the top-notch exchange with a vision, bringing together crypto and digital collectibles in one mission. Your Oh My token is the Baby app, a world of digital collectibles that'll make you clap. I'm on Bitget, the future is bright. Trading digital collectibles just got a new hype. With Bitget's platform, you can buy and sell. Join the